my channel. It's me, Brie, and in today's video, we're going to be doing one of my favorite videos to film, and that is unboxing the Women's Collective box. Hello, Marky. We are so excited because it came in today, and we were like, oh my gosh, we have to film. We have to finally unbox it. I have only seen the 2 spoilers she put on her Instagram page, and everything else I don't know. So, gonna be first looks, gonna be honest reactions, and I'm really excited. I'm talking with my hands a lot. Let's get into it. So first things first, we have the box itself. I just want you guys to see how gorgeous that is. I love the color. It's just really, really pretty to me, and I'm a sucker for moons, so this little moon right here is just giving me life. I love the outside. I think it's this really pretty, like a deep yellow. It's like a deep yellow mustard kind of, with the pinks and the greens. I just think it's really pretty and aesthetic. So opening the box, it has this really pretty, I'm dropping stickers, has this really pretty green with the Women's Collective little logo right here, the WC. And then all of the inside has like this green aesthetic, which is really nice and just a really good color scheme, I think. And we're gonna go through everything. I don't want to peek yet, but you see the moons there? It's just speaking to me, okay? It's so good. And then it has a cute little, it's not a postcard, but you could use it as a postcard, maybe it is. And a sticker that says anything is possible when women come together to support each other, which is also really pretty in the color scheme. And that beautiful moon sticker. I'm actually obsessed. I'm really excited if you did not and could not tell. So this is what it looks like when you open it up, and we're just gonna go straight into the items, all of that. So the first thing that we have is this Summer Mornings apron, and it is really, really pretty. Let me see if I can back up a little bit. So it's this apron with a really little subtle emblem, the SM for Summer Mornings, which is also a pocket, so I think that's really pretty. The normal apron over the neck type of look, and then the 2 ties that go around your waist. Very, very simple, and I really, really like it. So let's get into the specs of this. It is a embroidered apron. It is from the brand Summer Mornings, and the retail value is $25, and it is a linen look apron. It's not actual linen, however, it does look like it. So just something really simple, and I was looking for an apron, so this is perfect for me and just at the right time. So like I said, retails for $25, and I really like it. So let's go to the next thing. And the next item we have is this little tray. This is from the brand Tumble, and it looks just kind of like a catch-all tray. So you can put anything you want on it. Is it for jewelry, or maybe put your keys here on like a little entryway? I really like the color. This is definitely my aesthetic, kind of what I'm going for. So I love this, and I cannot wait to use this, and it's just really pretty. So this is that, and it retails for $28. Again, by the brand Tumble. All right, so the next item we have is a candle. It actually says it's a travel candle, which I'm not 100% sure what that means, but it is from the brand Simply Curated. This is what it looks like on the outside. Really, really pretty. We'll go ahead and open it up. The scent is guava fig, so I'm really interested to smell it. Ooh, that is really nice. That is really good. I'm gonna have to get more of this. And then it also has a wood burning wick, which I also think is really, really good. So this is a 10 out of 10. This smell is giving me life. It's 3.5 ounces, and it retails for $13. So we love her. The next item we are going to show you looks like it's from the brand Everly Made, and it's handmade personalized jewelry. So we're gonna go ahead and open her up. I haven't looked at the booklet yet for this, so we're gonna get first glances here. Ooh, these are cute and simple. So these are just a really simple square earring. I really like these. I think they're really dainty, nothing too crazy or bold, and it's just something that is a simple square or earring to kind of finish a look. And they're gold, and you know, gold is the game for me. So I love these. Let's look at some details about them. So these, like I said, are from the brand Everly Made. They're called the Wall Street Stud Earrings. They also retail for $22. So these are really nice. This is what the picture looks like. And tell me how much you love this on the actual tray, which kind of gives you a look of how you can curate all of these things together and put all of these things together, which I absolutely love. I like to see items being used, so that is a big help for me. And then we have one more item, which has been shown on Instagram, so I have seen this, and I'm really freaking stoked for this. This is from the brand Pineapple Studios, and it is a ceramic wine cup. And I am dying with joy from this cup. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Obviously, if you didn't want to use it for wine, or you don't drink wine, or you don't drink at all, you can use this for absolutely anything. Obviously, it looks like a wine cup, but it is ceramic. And how pretty is that? I love her. I am really excited. I want to go get a bottle of Chardonnay just for this little queen, okay? And I hardly drink like that. So this is beautiful. This also retails for $26. I don't know if I said that, but I love it. I absolutely love the ceramic speckled look. I think it is absolutely gorgeous and definitely going to be a beautiful addition to our kitchen and our glass cupware. So that is everything in the box. And if I didn't mention, it comes with this little pamphlet so you guys can look through, see all about all of these brands, the artists of the box. Anything that you really want to know is in here. And if you guys have been thinking about the Women's Collective box, go ahead and click the link in my bio if you guys want to purchase or anything like that. They also have a marketplace where you guys can shop items that were in past boxes if you liked it and couldn't get your hands on the box. Any of that, definitely go check them out. I am really, really happy. And all of the items together total to $114, so you're definitely getting the bang for your buck. All of these businesses are women-owned businesses, and this brand is circled around women supporting women and just a sisterhood of like-minded women, entrepreneurs, anything like that. It's just definitely a great community, and I really encourage you guys to go check them out and support and meet all these brands. I just think Women's Collective Box, what they're doing with the brand is amazing, and I really hope you guys go check it out. I would not be raving on my channel about it constantly if I didn't actually believe in it and love it. So, hope you guys like everything in the box. I absolutely did. I'm really, really happy. Genuine reactions, and yeah, I can't wait to use all these things. So if you guys like this video, please hit the like button. If you guys haven't subscribed and would like to, hit that subscribe button. If you guys want notifications for any of my upcoming videos, hit that bell icon, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.